There's Corey right there.
Hardcore Nasty's out there?
Yeah, he's right there. You see him? He's squatting down. He's standing close on the first base line. I'm going to walk towards the team.
Good point. What positions you guys at?
All right. Corey's at second base. Sean, you're catching.
Yeah.
I'm in left field. Danny third. John short. Nate first. Ryan Hayes right center. Kevin, who's sitting first inning. Mark left center. And Dan pitcher. Chris right field.
I like it. I like
All
it.
right. Hit your cutoffs today. That's big key.
Hey,
No, seriously though, because
hey, Zach, between all of us, do you think that if we stuck a rover out there in, like, say we're all playing outfield, say a right fielder came up, should we snake a guy in like a rover playing between?
I think we should start.
You're talking about putting the shift on?
Put the shift on. We should start playing that because we're fast enough in the outfield that we really.
I don't even think we need 4 outfielders.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Let's put a rover in.
All right, no.
Okay, so who's
just
rover?
whatever batters up, the center person comes in.
Yeah.
No matter what.
So we're right behind
Who is that person?
It'd be either me or his.
Yeah. Okay, you know
So
what to play.
if it's a lefty, then I'll creep in.
Yeah.
No, we were doing that a little but creep in towards. I'll play the deep gap.
Hey, we were doing that a little.
Shallow guy.
As soon as you know right Hayes coming up, you're gonna come up.
But make sure. But hey,
The thing is Hayes has a gunner of an arm.
Right.
You probably want somebody else to come up and play and keep him in the outfield.
I gotta keep
no.
Hey, Frack, you get the fuck out of
out though, he throws it backwards. I'm warming up, man. Alright, fair enough, but still.
Nice shot.
Good eye, Sean.
Good eye, Sean.
He's sneaking forward.
Play catch with me. What we got? Go in. Hey.
My bad.
Nice, Sean. Nice shot. Stay there. Stay there. Nice hit, Sean.
Good shot, Sean. Good hard shot. Let's go, Zeki.
Nice, Zach, right up. Go, right on.
Oh, drop the ball. Drop the ball.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the Get up, go. Good job, second base.
Transfer rule.
Good job, second base.
Just take him out.
Hey, 2 outs, Zach. 2 outs. So you run in.
2 out. Give him a step. All right, here we go, you guys. Here you go. Stay close, Jimmy. Here you go. Go. Nice play, John. Go around, go around.
Good play.
There we go. Make your turn, make your turn, make your turn.
John, nice effort.
One down, bang. Just hit hard, buddy. Relax up there. Hit hard now. You got one. Hey, Jimmy, make sure it's through, huh? Down, Jim. Tag it on the fly. Back. Go, 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 go. You're up, you're up, you're up, you're up. Oh, that away.
That's not the way they draw it up.
Who's after Ryan? Kevin and Mark?
Yeah.
Go! It's in there! It's in there!
Drop.
It's in there!
Nice hit, Hayes.
Let's go, Uncle!
Nice hit.
Good runner and scoring possession.
Yep, we're out.
Still got scores. Let's go.
Yeah, I think you're up next, right?
No, yeah, Dan, and then Chris, and Eddie.
Eddie's not playing.
Oh, Eddie's not playing.
Sorry, guys. It's all right. Let's go 1, 2, 3 right here. We're good.
Hey, Bob.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Scorekeeper, huh?
If you want to go. Danny made some good snags over there.
Going to me if you go back around. There you go.
Come on, man. Keep running to your own home plate.
Hey. Come on. No. Go around.
Go, Glenn.
No. There you go. Come on.
All right, in the park, Tommy, in the park.
Watch your call. Ready?
Down.
All holes out there, Tom. A lot of holes. Go.
Yeah! Oh, you gotta love that. Linda, you see that hit, huh?
Ready to get on it.
Thanks, Dave.
2 down.
All right, hey, you did bad last game, right?
Yeah,
You got like third base sign there? What? You got to get base. Oh, yeah, I got it.
I have loyalties.
Go. He helped bring them words.
Nasty in the foreground.
That's good.
Go 1 strike.
I want to see that in the News Tribune tomorrow.
You might.
There you go. Beat it out. Beat it out.
Yeah, good hustle, good hustle, good hustle.
Who's the guy with glasses at the plate right now?
There you go. There you go. Come on, Chris.
Watch your way, Joy. Jeremy.
Come on. That's it, Chris. That's it, Chris. Yeah, baby.
Good hustle. Good hustle, Chris.
Okay, get him there, Cord. Just a little single. Get him in.
You're not too deep now. Not too deep. Go, Corey. Got it. Keep away in the middle, Rob. Knock it down.
So he's going to throw it short. Almost all the time he'll throw it short. You can't reach
Right up
for it.
the
It has
middle.
to cross that plate.
Go up the middle, you did.
See?
Good eye, Core.
They're so short. He has to get one deep. There.
Come here, play first base, dude. Like, help him. Tell him to come back. Nah. Dang it. Sorry, bud.
There you go. Hold the beer up. Like, how many times have you in a picture and you hold your beer up? Dig. Dig it out, Sean. You got it. Take
Go for two. Go for
you get
two.
third, too, I think.
Tony, you all right?
No problem. Remember that. Never get pulled over.
Last week, we need to do that again.
The last inning.
Sean gets third. Attack. No, they
Threw the ball in the outfield and threw it.
Zach, if you don't hit a home run, it's an out.
Kick!
Wow.
Slide! Yeah!
We're on the board.
There you go. Nice job. Put one on the board. I'm getting super excited.
Take off. Here you go, Donnie. Find a hole, Donnie.
Man. This is a classic rivalry.
Yeah.
Pitcher-hitter rivalry.
Yeah. Staring down. I just picked Don up
Don
from Vegas
Ramsdale.
on the way home. Yeah,
Oh,
I mean,
yeah?
literally, I picked him
Literally
up at
straight from
4:30.
Vegas.
I'm not kidding you.
Man.
He doesn't gamble when he's playing baseball though.
Yeah.
No. They call that the Pete Rose.
Put your face, Donnie.
What was he in Vegas for, Lori?
Playing.
Just playing?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
He had a friend that moved down there, so he and about 3 guys went down and visited him.
Yeah.
Go, two up. Right at him, Donnie. That's right. Go, Hayes.
Because they know they can't.
Come on, Ace! Mark Curran, lover of animals, player of softball.
Man, guy's got his thumb in everything, doesn't he?
Some say that when he was playing in Brooklyn, he had a horse as a pet, and he would ride it to every game. And I think that's indicative of his spirit. And I can't do it anymore.
Just cut it before he breaks. Somebody's gonna get third.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice job,
Okay,
Mark.
here we go. Who's up?
Down, anything.
Wait for your pitch. Wait for your pitch. You got the bases loaded here.
Just base hits, you guys.
Small ball. Small ball.
He knows about small ball.
Yeah.
So does Corey.
Yeah, definitely. From all those years of steroids. Okay.
No, we didn't.
Good job.
You ran too early.
That was 3.
Oh, what? Oh, well, there's the third out, and there's only 2 out. I'm taking it.
No, it wasn't.
It's only 2 out.
No.
It was 1 out. That was the second out.
I was watching you. Oh, my God. Yeah. He said he didn't take. No, he said because he didn't. He left the third early.
Wow, we're being shocked. Somebody don't like us here.
They get 2 runs against Oakland. Wait, did I don't think this guy likes us very much. I was
I was supposed to be biased. Supposed to have an unbiased referee.
This guy doesn't know what the fuck he's doing. Fucking Stevie Wonder could do a better job than this guy.
But Stevie Wonder's blind.
Stevie Wonder's fucking blind.
And just like that, he was off to right field. Wondering that earlier. I was wondering that earlier. He's the second youngest playing here, and he has no children, so.
Call it!
Drop it.
Those are so freaking weird.
Oh, no, no.
We level, Sean. Bring it around.
Sucks.
Watch middle, Ryan.
These guys can hit wherever they want. It's a strike.
Hey, take it.
He'll never call a ball.
Yeah! Yeah! We finally seen a hit by the pitch.
Oh, that doesn't. Oh, they don't get to.
Frank, you gotta get back, dude. You're just fucking with me.
I know who made up the team name.
You were just fucking with me.
Houston, we can't get you.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, jeez.
Not the best trade.
They really haven't.
Cute old man.
But it's hard to beat them.
Cute old man who's volunteering at the
We're going one way.
Fircrest Rec Center.
It's going one way.
No.
A friend of mine's husband's 80, and he coaches, referees high school volleyball.
When's the game next
And he does,
But
he's sharp dude. I never watched him ref volleyball, but he seems to be pretty with it guy, even though he's usually sitting when I'm over there and he has a weird wig.
Now, Chris, you had a good game tonight, but I want to get a feel for how you feel about the game. I saw you got a single in maybe the 5th inning, and I just want to know your thought process behind that.
Well, you know, I just swang even and relaxed. It was all about the relaxation. And then, you know, I felt good because I looked good today. And when I came out here, I was looking really sexy.
Do you think the game of softball is more about
Hey, everybody. Good job, man.
do you feel like the game is more about looks or ability?
Looks, definitely. I mean,
about his great ways in the field.
Later, dudes. If I wish I had like a shaving cream pie right now.
See you, Mark.
Dude, that